Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to make a YouTube intro. So go into your app store and type in Mojo in the search bar. You should see this first app called Mojo Insta Story Editor. Go ahead and open up the app, and then it should take you to the home page, which you choose a template. So I'm a pro user, but you don't have to be a pro user to use this app. They have plenty of templates that you can go ahead and utilize. So I'm just go ahead and going up and down and showing you the different templates they have. So what I do is I usually go into the blank pro user template. I go ahead and change the format to a landscape format. And then here I'm going to show you the different types of formats that you can have and the different type of templates that you can have to create your YouTube intro. They're pretty simple, but you don't have to use those. Those are just different examples of what they have. So they have multiple different examples that you can use if you're a new beginner. I usually just keep it simple, and then I go ahead and look for the option of the background. So I'm going to use the background I'm currently using right now. I'm going to show you different backgrounds that they have. So I currently use this background, and then I go ahead and click at the plus sign at the bottom of the screen and then click on text. Again, some of the texts are for pro users, but you can use the other ones that are not for pro users. I select the text that I want, and then I type in what I want to be my YouTube intro. As you can see, I'm typing in my current YouTube intro, Lola's Memoirs. I don't really like the text, so I'm gonna change it. So you can go back into that, click on that text, and it should give you the other text options. As you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and look for the one that I want and then change it. So I can click on that one. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on the text again, and it should give you the option to change the color at the bottom of the screen. So I'm gonna look for a neutral color because I'm not someone who likes really bold colors sometimes. So I'm gonna go ahead and settle on this like neutral brown, and that's kind of how it's gonna be animated once my YouTube intro starts. Then at the bottom of the screen, you can go ahead and click on graphics, and then you'll see stickers, GIFs, and logos. Go ahead and go over to GIFs and type in subscribe or whichever item that you would like on your actual YouTube intro. So I click on subscribe, and I click on the subscribe GIF that I would like to use. And then I'm gonna go ahead and enlarge it and place it in the corner that I would like it to be on my YouTube intro. So I'm gonna put it right here on the right, and that's basically how my YouTube intro is gonna look. So also at the bottom of the screen again, when you click on the actual template, you can add music. So you can choose a different music that you would like to use on your YouTube intro, but you can also use your own music. I would recommend just using the ones that they offer, just because your own music could get you copyrighted. So yeah, so it's pretty simple. So it's a great app, and I've been using it, and it's also free, but you can also pay for the pro user for $50 a year. It's depending on what you want. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.